Another maths example video. This one is for finding the surface area of composite objects. So for this particular example, we are looking at an object that consists of a square-based prism and a cylinder. So as you can see in our lovely little diagram right here. Alright, and it says find the total surface area to one decimal place. So what I've already done to save a bit of time is I've written out what we've got in it. So we've got one square prism, which is just like a rectangular prism. We've got one cylinder, and then we do have to take away at the end the area of one circle, because that's the area here where they're both joined. Alright, and that can't be included in our total surface area, because think of it like an area we can't paint because that's where they're joined. So then I've written it out with its formula, okay? So here we've got, this is our formula for surface area of a rectangular prism. Okay, so you got 2 times your length times width, 2 times length times height, 2 times width times height. Alright, and they're all added together. Then we've also then got to add our surface area of our cylinder, which is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r times our height. And then take away the area of one circle, which is just pi r squared. So, from there, what we want to do is label what is what. Okay, so this is my length here. Alright. This one is my width. Now keep in mind that this is also 20 centimeters because these both have the same marks. Alright, this is going to be my height of my prism, of my rectangular square prism. Alright, this is my radius, and then this is my height of my cylinder. So now I'm going to go ahead and substitute each of those into my formula that I've already got set out. So I'm going to have 2 times my length, which is 20, times my width, also 20, plus 2 times my length, 20, times my height of 10, plus 2 times my width, which is 20, and then times my height of 10. So there's the rectangular prism part done. So now we just got to do our cylinder part. So we've got 2 times pi, our radius is 6, so we're going times 6 squared, plus 2 times pi times our radius, which is 6, and then our height was 8. And then take away the area of a circle, so pi times our radius, which is 6 squared. Okay, so now that we've done that, you probably just chuck that all into a calculator. I personally would find out what this part is here by myself, and that part there is actually 1600. Okay, plus the answer of this part here. Okay, so when we do this, it is then plus, and we're going to have it in exact form, 96 pi, that's 26, 96 pi. Now you don't have to do this step, you can just chuck it all in your calculator. That's fine. And then that should equal 1901.6 centimeters squared, because we're in centimeters and we're dealing with area. And that is how to approach finding the surface area of a composite object. So work out what shapes you've got involved, and then which parts you might have to exclude because they're where they're connected. And write it all out before you start trying to work it out, because it'll save you some errors later. Thank you for watching.